What's up, guys, and welcome to your full body sculpt workout. My name is Dempsey. If you haven't been here before, I am a personal trainer and health coach, and today we're going to be working out together. So for today's workout, we've got 6 different exercises. We're going to do each exercise for 40 seconds, and then we'll have 20 seconds to recover between exercises, and we're going to do that circuit 3 times through. As you can see, I've got a pair of dumbbells, so if you have some dumbbells, grab them. Without further ado, let's get right into the workout. I'm going to show you the first exercise before we get into it. It's going to be a glute bridge with a skull crusher. So, grabbing your dumbbells, first exercise, we are going to lift our hips up. As we go into that glute bridge, we're going to drop the dumbbells down into a skull crusher, and then we're going to come back up. All right, let's get started. So keeping your weight in your heels as we lift those hips up, that's really going to target your glutes. Getting those hips up as high as you can. Keeping this nice, slow, and controlled. Nice job, guys. And rest. All right, second exercise is going to be a reverse lunge with a curl. So we're going to come to the top of our mat. We're going to drop it back into a reverse lunge. As we do that, we're curling our dumbbells up, and then we return to stand and repeat on the other side. Nice and simple. Shoulders back, abs are on nice and tight to help you balance. Take this nice and slow. Making sure that we're not falling forward with this. We want to make sure that chest is up the entire time. Nice work, guys. We got 15 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, next exercise, we don't need any equipment for, so you can put those dumbbells off to the side. We're gonna do a negative push-up and go into a Superman. So we're gonna lower ourselves all the way down onto that mat, arms and legs come up, and then we're gonna press back up. If you have any trouble pressing up, you can always come onto your knees and then back up onto your toes as we lower it down. Keep those elbows in, nice and tight to your ribs. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna come back up to standing for our next exercise. Big deep breath in. We're gonna be doing a deadlift with an upright row. So feet hip distance apart, a little bend in those knees. We're just hinging forward at our hips, keeping that back nice and flat. Then we come up and go into that upright row. So remember that back is nice and flat the entire time. Just coming down until you feel a little tightness in those hamstrings, and then coming back up. Nice job, guys. And rest. All right, 2 more exercises in this first circuit. We're coming back down onto our backs for a little bit of core work now. What we're gonna do for this, we're gonna start with our legs at 90 degrees. We're going into a crunch. We're gonna drop one leg down, bring it back up, go back into a crunch, other leg comes down, bring it back. Here we go. If this is too much for you, you can do this entire thing with bent knees. So crunch, drop, up, crunch, drop, up. More advanced version, we're working with those straight legs. Keep that belly button grounded down the entire time. Second to last exercise of this first circuit. Nice work. And rest. All right, last exercise. We're gonna be doing a bent over row to a tricep kickback. So, kind of that same position that you were in for a deadlift, so bend in those knees, back is flat. We're gonna row the dumbbells up, and then we're kicking back, coming back down, and repeating. So back is flat, belly button is in. Here we go. Make sure you're looking straight down so that your neck stays nice and long. We don't want to be craning forward or looking back at all. 20 more seconds. Give me a little pause with that tricep kickback. Pause, and then back. Abs are on for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. 1 round down, we got 2 more to go. Shake those arms out, roll your shoulders out. We're coming back down onto our backs for that bridge with a skull crusher, but this time, we're gonna keep our hips up the entire time. So hips are gonna stay up for 40 seconds. Here we go. Lift those hips up, and then just working into that skull crusher. You should really feel it in your triceps after those kickbacks. Nice job, guys. So it's our second time seeing these exercises. We should be nice and confident with them. We kind of know where we're going. So maybe we're gonna step that intensity up. Second round. Nice work, guys. And rest. All right, coming back to stand. Whew. We've got our reverse lunge with a bicep curl. So roll those shoulders out. Here we go. We're starting in 4, in 3, 2, and 1. So remember, as we drop it down, we're curling those dumbbells up. Chest is up. Shouldn't have done legs yesterday. Whoa, we're fine. Nice job, guys. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Nice job. All right, going into those negative push-ups with a Superman. This one's really gonna kill those triceps. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, and 1. So remember, if this is too much, we can always drop down onto those knees. Press up on your knees is going to make it a lot easier. 10 more seconds. I know this one's tough. Stay with me, guys. 3, 2, woo, and 1. All right. Halfway through this second set, we're going back into our deadlifts with an upright row. So roll your shoulders out. Here we go. Starting in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right back into it, guys. Officially halfway through the workout. 10 more seconds. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, we're coming back down onto our backs for those crunches with single leg drops. Bring your knees into your chest for a second. Roll on that lower back. Here we go. So we want to make sure that back stays pressed nice and flat into the mat as we're lowering that leg down. It's going to help protect that lower back, protect your lower vertebrae, precious discs. You got 10 more seconds here. Nice job, guys. And rest. All right. Last exercise of this second circuit, we've got our row with a tricep kickback. Big deep breath in, big deep breath out. Feet hip distance apart. We're hinging forward. Here we go. Getting started in 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, guys. You know your triceps are probably feeling it by now. Stay with me. We got 15 more seconds here. All the way to the end. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, rest. Nice work, team. We got one more time through that entire circuit. So going back into our bridge with a skull crusher, same thing that we did that second time. I want your hips to stay up the entire time. So press into your heels, hips are up, and we're just like this for 40 seconds. It's our last time to get those reps in on this exercise, so lift your hips up a little bit higher. Really control that skull crusher. And remember to breathe. Nice job. You got this, guys. Last 5 seconds. And rest. All right, team. 1 down, 5 to go. Roll your shoulders out. We've got our last set of reverse lunges with a bicep curl. Big deep breath in. Let it out through the mouth. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, and 1. Nice and controlled. Remember, abs are on. Finishing this exercise nice and strong. Here we go. Halfway, 20 more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Pop those dumbbells off to the side. We've got our last set of negative push-ups with a Superman. I know your arms are probably feeling it by now. Remember, there's absolutely no shame in dropping down onto your knees for this exercise. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. So keeping your elbows in nice and close to your ribs. A little pause at the top of that Superman. And then press back up. Last ones. And we're done with those for the day. All right, 3 to go. Grab your dumbbells, come back up to stand. We're gonna do that deadlift with an upright row. So remember, shoulders stay rolled back, back is nice and flat. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Inside our last 3 minutes of work here. Ten more seconds. We get to lay down after this. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, second to last exercise of the day. Place those dumbbells off to the side. We're on our backs for those straight leg crunches with a single leg drop. Roll your knees back and forth. Give your back a little bit of love. Here we go. We got 10 more seconds here. Keep breathing. Woo! And rest. All right, last exercise of the day, guys. We've got that row with a tricep kickback. Grab your dumbbells. Roll your neck out. Final 40 seconds of work and we are done. Here we go, hinging forward at those hips. 3, 2, and 1. Row. Extend those arms and then back down. Fifteen more seconds. This is it, guys. Let's finish strong. You got this. Last ones. Give me 4, give me 3, give me 2, and give me 1. You guys are done. Whew. Amazing work today, guys. Thank you so much for working out with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because I post new workouts twice a week. See you guys next time. Bye.